Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center. A severe thunderstorm warning
Here we
is
go.
now being issued for portions of Johnson, Hill, and Ellis counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP.
Second one. We're going.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County, northwestern Hill County, and northwestern Ellis County until 8:15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located near Grandview, or 8 miles south of Alvarado, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The storm is indicating 60 to 70 mile per hour straight line winds. It has a history of producing multiple cycling small tornadoes near Valley Mills, Clifton, and Whitney within the last 90 minutes. It also may produce small hail. Right now, quarter-sized hail, 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts expected with this storm, but the storm also has a history of producing tornadoes within the last 90 minutes. The severe thunderstorm will be approaching Alvarado by 7:35 in roughly 5 minutes. The community of Venus by 7:45, Midlothian, Ovilla, and Oakley by 8:10, Cedar Hill, Glen Heights around 8:15 if the storm holds together into Dallas County. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Johnson County, northwestern Hill County, and northwestern Ellis County until 8:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Attention investors, your IRA or 401k IRA and 401k accounts. Can you afford to lose again when the next crash comes? What if you could store your IRA or 401k where you could see, touch, and hold it in your hands? With the Augusta Gold and Silver IRA, you can transfer a portion of your retirement savings into physical coins and store them where you can actually hold them in your hands, where you can get your gold fast in a disaster. Call Augusta Precious Metals at 855-858-5807 and receive a free gold and silver IRA guide. There's no obligation. Rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau, Augusta Precious Metals enjoys a 98% 5-star customer satisfaction rating with TrustLink.org. Trust Augusta. Call 855-858-5807 now. 855-858-5807. That's 855-858-5807.
Good evening. It's 7:30. I'm Nicole Deal from the WBAP Classic Buick GMC of Carrollton News Desk. Vice President-elect Mike Pence says Donald Trump has a right to defend himself. That story coming up after traffic and weather on the line. Checking the ClassicChevrolet.com right now, traffic watch. The news, no accidents to tell you about right now. Remember, if you do see traffic problems on the road, we would like to know about it. You can call the Traffic Tip Hotline anytime, 214-765-5299. And now the WBAP forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Brad Martin.
Okay, thank you very much, Nicole. We just activated a severe thunderstorm warning just a few moments ago for Johnson and Ellis counties until 8:15. And I want to make sure you understand this is the same
so much. Right now, 65 degrees at DFW Airport.
Alrighty, that was a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson, Hill, and Ellis counties, Texas. That was a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson, Hill, and Ellis counties from the National Weather Service in Fort Worth until 8:15. And that was meteorologist Brad Martin from the WBAP Weather Center. So, yeah. So, till next one. I'll catch you up if there's any more severe thunderstorm warnings, and also get them on KC 56 right there, which is right there.
And Glen Heights around 8:15 p.m.
And then over here on WBAP News Talk 8:20 a.m. 96.7 FM. So, that's it for now. KC 55 will go off first, and then WBAP. Alrighty? So that's it for now, and that's all. And I'll catch you up whenever another warning comes in, and we'll listen to it on WBAP just like I did with this one. So that's it for now, and that's all.